Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to be unboxing a little package. I just want to do this package.
Well, it's not that big. Not that big. But it's big.
So,
well, Mommy, can I open it? First, we're going to open it from here.
I ordered some school things for them because I ordered expensive shoes for 2 of them. So I now order some shoe here so that they can use it to mix it. They don't have to be using like up to 2 expensive shoes, so it will get spoiled on time. Though cold is coming, but yeah. This is what I ordered. I think this one is big.
And this one, it looks like yours. And it looks like yours. See?
It's for clay. Stop putting something on my mouth.
Sorry.
So this one is for clay. It's 40.
This one also.
It smells like a bar. So this one is for clay.
This one also.
At least it's good. You can use it to mix the one that I just bought for him in Toronto. So you will use this one to mix it and use this one to mix it. So yeah, it's very light.
My shoe. Is this my shoe? This is my shoe.
Yeah, that one is for you.
This is my puppy.
So, how many shoes? Let me see. It's only one.
No, 3.
Oh, I think I cancelled one for you. So you have 2 already.
Is this ours, right? This is mine.
No, this is mine. So this one is watch.
Let me cut it open.
I don't know.
Cut it open. Get it.
Clay can take one, then Emily can take one.
I cut it open.
You can take
Mommy,
one.
this is so cute.
It's working.
That watch. Okay.
So
This is so
it's
cute.
already scratched. It's for me.
No. Okay.
So, oh my god, I think it's 8 years. This one is for you. Yeah, it's 8 years.
So cute.
And this one. Yeah. So this jeans.
It's for me. Yeah, that's tiny.
Maybe it's I think it's finished and this shoe.
That's for me. So should I go try it on, Mommy?
Smell blue.
Should I go try it on?
It's even strong.
Give me the clothes.
So that was it.
Give me the clothes.
That
Can you
was
also do
it
another video
of
of my clothes that I'm
I
wearing?
just like this one from hand. I like it. So
Mommy, do a video of me where after when I come back.
oh guys, thanks for watching to the end and bye. Good night. It's already night.